So I've been trying to find out what aesthetic or feeling fits this vibe. In the comments from the other video, people have said Frutiger Aero. This is an aesthetic from the mid-2000s that has this glossy, bright, clean, utopian feeling. I agree that it's a combination of technology and nature, but I don't get that feeling that I get when I see the other pieces of art. What hits closer is solar punk. Solar punk is the combination aesthetic that I've been looking for. This captures the vision for how I want to live, in harmony with nature, whilst also maximizing our technological capabilities in a way that isn't destroying Earth, but helping to regenerate Earth.